Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over creating shapes in Photoshop. We'll be talking about how to create shapes, how to edit the color, and how to make a clipping mask with these shapes. First, to make a shape, you can select one of the 6 shape tools. Generally, it will be the solid rectangle, but if you used any other shape tool previously, then it will be that one instead. Just be aware of that when you're trying to find it in the tool section. But to work the shape tools, you can just click and drag. If you want a perfect shape, hold Shift as you drag. Or if you have certain dimensions that are required, you can just click on the canvas and a panel will pop up where you can change the dimensions. And then you'll just hit OK and it will give you that shape with those dimensions. Then once you have the desired shape, you can make edits to it up at the top or in the Properties panel off to the right hand side. You can change the fill, the inside color, and the stroke, the outside color, probably better known as the border. You can also change the stroke size, the type of stroke, and the dimensions. The only shape that works a little differently is the Custom Shape tool. In this tool's editing section, you can choose which shape you want to make. Now we're going to go over making clipping masks with shapes. This is pretty simple. To demonstrate, I'm going to make 2 overlapping shapes. Then I'm going to double-click on the top layer in the Layers panel and select Create Clipping Mask. This cuts the top of the layer to fit into the layer below, or just shows the part that are within the shape below it. That's everything for brushes. Thanks for watching.